In the insurance world, we have a lot of lingo, a lot of jargon that we use, but consumers, when they talk to us, also have some jargon that we just want to help explain. What is full coverage? Someone says, hey, I want full coverage on my vehicle. What is that specifically? It can mean like 20 different things. Okay, typically what full coverage means is it means they want comprehensive and they want collision. But when you call into your agent and you say, hey, I want full coverage, it's really good to explain or at least have them ask, what do you specifically mean by that? Do you want towing? Do you want roadside assistance? Do you want broad, regular, or limited? What sort of deductibles do you want? There's not a one size fits all. So when you call in and you say you want full coverage, let's get specific about that and let's figure out exactly what you want. And make sure, if you're not with us, you talk to your agent and you make sure you're very specific about what you want when you say full coverage so you guys are on the same page.